Brown bread? What? Is it same as whole wheat bread? Okay, let me debunk the brown bread versus whole wheat bread misconception. It is a common misconception that brown bread is the same as whole wheat bread. However, this is not true. Brown bread is typically a blend of refined flour and whole wheat flour, with the addition of ingredients like caramel for color. Caramel sauce is added to the flour and mixed, kneaded and baked to get a delicious brown bread. Difference between brown bread and whole wheat bread. Brown bread does not contain bran, endosperm, and germ that whole grain bread does, making it nutritionally inferior in vitamins, protein, fat, and carbohydrates. Whole wheat bread contains more fiber than brown bread. Fiber helps prevent constipation, reduces the risk of cancer, bad cholesterol, heart disease, and lowers blood sugar, reducing the risk of diabetes. Fiber-rich whole wheat bread makes you feel fuller and satiated when compared to refined flour containing brown bread. Whole wheat bread comes with a lot of nutrients, making it a smart choice. Brown bread contains additives such as caramel to give it a brown color, whereas whole wheat bread doesn't have artificial coloring. Wheat is a rich source of fiber, calcium, protein, iron, vitamins, and other minerals. In conclusion, if you are looking for a healthy bread option, it is wise to read the labels carefully and choose 100% whole wheat bread. It has more nutrients and fewer calories than brown bread, making it a smarter choice for your health. Dear viewers, please subscribe, like, and share. I would be very grateful.